Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my first video and I thought I would give you a little tour of the workshop that I have built in my garage. I've got your basic two-car garage and I've taken a little less than half of it to make a bike workshop or bike cave. Over here, we've got a little area to store the bikes. This is what we currently ride and future projects. And then once we get a little more organized, straighten things up, we'll have a little exercise area here with some weights and punching bag and treadmill. And big advantage of the workshop is the loft space. So I actually gained a ton of square footage by creating this up here. I've got about 3.5 feet high, and I would guess that's about 150 square feet or so of extra storage space. And of course, the only reason I could do all this is the wife gave me the go-ahead if she said that she could park her car in the garage. So as you can see, she's now got a place to put her car. All right, and as we go into the shop here, turn the AC unit off. That's another reason that I closed in a work area, was to be able to do a little climate control. The summertime, it gets awful hot and humid in here, so this makes it a little more comfortable. This is my little workspace. I've got my vinyl cutter right here to make the decals and stencils. Then I've got my computers where I'll do the editing and stuff. Also got a TV in here. Everybody needs one of those to watch some stuff while they're working. I've also got I just got this. I've never built wheels before. It's something I wanted to get into. So I've got a little drawing stand there. Kind of thought ahead of time that I wanted to make a little lower section of the bench there and set that up. And then we've got the bench area where I've built it so I can get a little more storage with totes and different things. So you come through here, I should have plenty of storage for parts, tools, stuff like that. Then we come up here, that's where we live. Got a couple, I'm gonna eventually fill the space up with some band posters. I'm a big music fan. Got a little tool wall. Went ahead and went with plywood instead of the pegboard. That's more secure just to put screws in, I think, and hang stuff. And then with a couple of toolboxes, I should have enough space for everything. And then over here, we've got all the future projects here, bike frames that I'll eventually build up. This wall over here, more space for posters and maybe another shelf for stuff. And then if anyone wants to come in and hang out, I've got a little theater chair there that I found, pretty comfortable. And then this, I think, will be the first project will be this 2010 Big Ripper. This one's going to be for the wife. I've also have a beast mode frame right there. As far as I can tell, the only difference between these two frames, that the beast mode is a 2018 and this one is a 2010. the Beast Mode frame has a mount for disc brakes, and these are rim brakes. So they're pretty similar other than that. So that is the workshop. If you like watching videos where people are building, restoring, repairing bikes of all kinds, I'd appreciate it if you'd like to subscribe and hit all the buttons that everybody says to hit. And I will see you on the next video. See ya.